this lesson's on number sequences. A number sequence is an ordered list of numbers defined by a rule. The numbers in a sequence are called the terms of the sequence. So here's a number sequence. So this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. The rule here is +1. Sometimes instead of just listing out the sequence, they'll give you an explicit formula. It says, hey, here's the sequence, here's our formula for the sequence. So if you want to find a 20th term, for example, you just substitute in 20 and get your 20th term, or the first term or second term. Also use a graph. A graph is a sequence also. So we represent that by putting dots down. So the first term is 3, second term is 5, third term is 7, 5, all. I guess this was 4 and that was 5. But like that. Example here, describe the sequence, 14, 17, 20, 23, and write down the next two terms. So the sequence is, the rule is we're going to add 3 to each term. It's like, so we'll go +3. So we're going to add 3 to each term. That's my rule. That's how I'm going to describe it. That makes the next two terms 26 and 29. Right, so 14, 17, yeah, add 3 each time. So there we go. A general term of sequence is something like this. So this is like your general term of sequence. So lets you know, okay, if I plug in 1, I get the first term. If I substitute in 2, I get the second term. Yada yada. So that's our general term of sequence. So in this case, I want to find the first 5 terms. So the first term, we'll just substitute 1 in. 2 times 1 plus 11 will get me 13. Second term, we're going to substitute in 2. It'll get me 15. U3, substitute in 3. And I get 17. And they want the first 5, so I'm going to start doing all 5. So it's 19. As you can tell, all we're doing is adding 2 each time. So like by now, I substituted it. If I know the next term is going to be 21. I mean, I could tell that by the second term, but that's the first 5 terms of the sequence.